This is my packing video. I only get one checked bag as a javelin thrower because I check javelins. So packing is kind of an art form. I like snacks. There are 12 grams of protein in each of these RX bars. And they're just really simple ingredients, so that's fun. But I also love sweet and salty nut Nature Valley bars. They're like my favorite little, it's kind of healthy but delicious snack. 3 grams of protein in one of these, so just a quarter of the RX bar. And lots more sugar, for sure. I have oatmeal, dried fruit, peanut butter packets for replacement breakfasts, because I've gotten to places sometimes and the grocery stores are closed, or I sleep through breakfast because I'm jet lagged or whatever, and these are ways that I can make that happen. In the same vein, espresso packets, some vanilla chai latte mix, and also coconut milk creamer. It's a powder and it's much better than any other travel creamer that I've come across because I like my coffee weak and milky. In a competition, will eat a fruit snack in a bar like after my warm up and before the competition. Oh, Crystal Light or Propel packets or whatever that makes your water more fun. And I'm all about that because I think water is boring. I drink a lot of it, but I like to make it more exciting. Bars, peanut butter, oatmeal, chocolate, fruit snacks, dried fruit, fun hydration, / electrolytes, nuts, and coffee. Okay, toiletries. I have teeth, skin, hair, and eyes. Eyes. Nails. Nails. I used to paint my nails for a competition and I don't want to do that anymore. It just feels like an extra step that wastes my own time. My actual toothbrush, which is bamboo now, because I'm trying to make small changes all the time to be more sustainable on the road. And looking at all this stuff, I am a little bit sick of it. Carry on. Shampoo, conditioner, Frey Recover Me, Frey Purify Me, Frey Protect Me, Frey Revive Me, other facial cleanser, Jason Vitamin E lotion, my acne medication, mouthwash, toothpaste, makeup, prescription, nail kit, deodorant, toothbrush, some ibuprofen and Aleve, night guard, cleansing towels, contacts, razor, and some hair ties, and a hairbrush. Check bag. Essentials. Tampons. Q-tips, shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, mouthwash, extra razor blade, nail polish, facial cleanser, mask, extra hair ties, Febreze, night guard cleanser, extra deodorant, nail polish remover, toe separators, dry shampoo, contacts, sunscreen. Tide pods. 6 weeks means probably 6 washes because I pack about a week's worth of clothing. So 6 pods. So my last little miscellaneous thing is a shopping bag, because in Europe most places don't have shopping bags or they charge you for them. I'm putting my extra e-bags and my extra stashers that I just got in my shopping bag, and I will just throw that on top of my check bag when I'm ready. Snacks and toiletries are in there, the extra ones. Foam roller, K-tape, other tape, lacrosse ball, swim cap and goggles because I ordered a new swimsuit and it'll be in San Diego waiting for me. So I don't need to bring that. Javelin shoes. Regular shoes. Socks inside the shoes. 8 pairs of socks. There will be more in other bags. Bands for training. Sports bras. I need a lot of sports bras. Underwear and jammies. Can get stuffed wherever. This is hat, swimsuit. I like to pack gloves and a warm hat just in case it's really cold. I've competed in 50 degrees Fahrenheit before and it was real rough. These are regular clothes. We'll see where those fit. Sandals. I'm not a roller when I pack because I think that it takes up less space, sure, but my stuff is kind of heavy, so if I roll it, it would be too dense and then my bag would be overweight. This bag is only 7.9 pounds. I just got it. I'm really excited about it. So I'm looking forward to being able to fit all my stuff but not having to cram it in there. And inevitably you gather things on the road and add to your bag, and so if it's already packed full, it's just a huge bummer to try and fit everything later. My warm outer layers that I'm bringing are a rain jacket and a vest, like a puffy vest. And then I have some other jackets as well. Rain jacket. Couple pairs of shorts, a bunch of pairs of short tights, long tights, training tops, like 3 long sleeves, 4 or so short sleeves, and then a bunch of tank tops, sweatshirts. I love to bring a laundry bag. And this is my grocery bag that I packed earlier. Probably 47 or so. Carry-ons. I like a duffel bag. It goes on top of my check bag and hooks around the rolly part, the part you hold onto, the handle, the telescoping handle. I have a lacrosse ball, field hockey ball for mobilization, spikes and wrenches in a stasher's bag, another pair of javelin spikes, a uniform, the little bit of jewelry that I bring, neck pillow, eye mask, compression socks, and then those carry-on toiletry bags that I showed you will go in here as well. There's also some snacks in the side pockets and a knee compression sleeve for long flights on the side because that really helps me out. Yeah. Duffel bag. Check. training journal and notebook with training pages in it. Noise canceling headphones, my favorite things ever. We have an iPad, which is entertainment, books, and TV shows. A laptop for blogging and stuff. These are power converters for Europe. A bunch of other cords for charging stuff. And more will go in there tomorrow after I'm done with everything. A mouse. Wireless headphones. I bought a Rareform wallet as well. And I'm going to put my passport and these stickers in there. Extra chapstick. Safety pins, which I think I'll put in the converter bag. A nice pen. Oh, that can go in the big pocket. External hard drive for managing data. Glasses. Sunglasses case. Speaker. And GoPro. And my wallet on the plane. So I'm pretty much done. And I'm gonna go to bed. Oh, another electronic thing is a little battery. Like an external battery from something, a portable battery. So you can charge your phone on a bus or in a van or wherever you happen to be, maybe stuck without communication in a dying phone. I have vacuumed, Swiffered, wiped down the Javelin tube. Here's some extra sponge pieces that Ron Johnson sent me. Looks like we buy the same brand of sponge. This tube holds 4 Javelins, so I will take 4 Javelins. And 4. I love the rock back case because it's easy to open and close, and it is light, which is really nice when you're wielding it in trains and stuff like that. So socks are gonna go over the end of each Javelin, stuff them in the tube, the little sleeve that each Javelin gets in the rock back case. Okay, throw a sponge in here for even more padding for the tail. I'm going to throw some sponges periodically in the bag just to keep the Javelins separated like they normally would be in the right orientation. Voila! If I keep the zippers closer to one end, that encourages TSA to open it at that end because it's the easier one to open and close, and I know which end the tips are at, so when I'm standing in line I can put the tips down. Better for the Javelins. The bottom line in packing is to pack the essentials, competition shoes, and then don't worry about everything else. Passport, obviously. Yeah, passport and shoes. That's all you need. Performance shoes. Maybe some extra spikes. Everything else you can get. Go get them! Go get them!